If you've spent any time working in content marketing, you know that content marketing is the long game. And at the same time, we ask sales to get involved. But the long game and sales and not asking for the sale doesn't quite fit. So what's the purpose of content marketing? After the jump, we'll get into it. Every piece of content you create should be predicated on a purpose, and that purpose should be to move the consumer. And every piece of content does not, and I repeat, does not have to ask for the sale.
Not for individual sale.
So when you refer to a CTA or call to action, every piece of content should have one, but it doesn't have to be buy now. However, it does mean moving the consumer who's consuming your content to think deeper, learn something, or take an action, whether physically or mentally, in a direction that you think will benefit them.
And that's who benefits.
So if you're talking about content for business, consider this. Education is moving. Demonstrating is moving. Sharing an experience is moving. Telling a story that creates a connection is moving. Even providing content that makes an emotional connection, that's moving.
Emotions.
So even when you're not going in for the sale, every piece of content should have a call to action. In fact, let's just call it a call to move.
Move, move, move!
That move could be as high level and unfortunately as untrackable as an emotional move, a bit more direct like learn more, or a bit closer to the sale like contact us. Just be sure that if the consumer takes time to consume your content, they receive some immediate value.
Trust me, it'll have value.
A reason and an ability to continue a deeper relationship with you or your business.
Always helps to end on the call to action.